Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and edit pages in your WordPress admin. So once you're logged into your admin, a really nice feature about WordPress is that this black admin bar will appear on all of your pages. So you can click on your website title up here on the black bar to go right to your dashboard. You can click on that again to go back out to your website. And a really great feature is that you can go on any page of your website and there'll be an edit page link right there in that black bar. So by clicking edit page, it'll take you right into edit page mode in the admin. You can also go into the admin, click on pages, click on whatever page it is that you want to edit, and then choose edit, or just click on the page link. And again, it'll take you right into edit page mode. So I'm going to show you around your edit page feature here and just walk you through some of the different things on this page. This website is using what's called the Aveda theme, and you have your default editor, which shows up just like this, like any other editor. So you have your content, your images right there. And then there's the Fusion Page Builder. So you'll see all of this code in these little brackets. That goes along with this Fusion Page Builder, comes with the theme. I recommend using the Fusion Page Builder just because the layout is easier to use and it's easier to modify different elements on the page. So if I want to modify or edit some content here, I would simply roll over this and there's an edit icon or edit element. If you click on that, it's going to take you right into edit mode. And you can add and edit content right here. You can add a photo. When you're done making your modifications, just choose Save. When you're done making changes to your page, if you choose Update, it'll instantly update on the site. If we scroll down with the Aveda theme, you'll also see revisions. This is good if you make a mistake, if you edit something and you save the page and you didn't mean to, you broke it, for instance, you can go back to previous versions of the page. And you can close and expand different elements in edit mode here, which comes in handy because it saves space. With the Aveda theme, you can control things like sidebars, for instance. So if you wanted to show a sidebar, you can do that. You can choose one right here. And you can choose its position, left or right. So that comes in handy as well. Really nice feature. So always remember when you modify anything in your page, just choose Update. A great thing about the Fusion Page Builder is there's builder elements. So you can add text to the page. You can add a title. This right here is a title. This here is a text element where you can add photos and you can add simple text. You can add a pretty button. You can do a lot of different things here. Add a checklist, add an image slider, a lot of different layout and options here, which is really nice. You can add different columns if you wanted to. You could make an area larger or smaller, which is really nice. Lots of things you can do in here, but right now I'm just going to show you the basics. So that's how you modify a page and modify some content. If you wanted to add a brand new page, if you come out to Pages and you choose Add New, then you can add yourself a brand new page to the site. What's interesting about WordPress is that it's not going to add your brand new page to your main nav instantly. You have to add it yourself. So I'll just show you what I mean. I'm going to add a test page. Just going to add some basic content. In fact, I'll use the Fusion Page Builder for this. I'm going to save what I have first. And then I'm going to utilize the Fusion Page Builder, and I'm going to show you some basic stuff. So I'm going to switch over to that. I'm going to add a full width container here. Then I'm going to add the 2/3 here. And a 1/3 over there. There we go. That looks nice. I'll move that over here. There we go. Now I'm going to add some text, and I'm going to, it's all drag and drop. Drag it into there. So there's text. You can modify this. It can say whatever you want it to say. You can have a whole paragraph there, photos, links if you want. you can highlight and you can add a link to a page on your site or to a whole nother website. If you're linking to another website, open a new tab, very important. Okay, so over here, let's see, I'll add, oh, how about I add a photo? I'll just do that with a text block. You can add a photo with that. Edit, add media, and we'll just pick any random photo. How about my big iguana here? We'll add that. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and save. So there he is, we got a photo. All right, I'm gonna update that page, and you'll see we have this page created, we have it saved, it's just called test. But if we go to the site, it's not there. We have to add it there. I'll show you how to do that. Within the admin, under Appearance, choose Menus. And under Menus, you're going to see Main Navigation and that brand new test page I just added, and I can add it to the menu. What's great about menus is, again, it's drag and drop. I can move it anywhere I want. And then if I save my menu, and I go out to the site and refresh the page, then my test page will show up right there in my menu. There it is. So that's how you add and edit a page to the website and to the navigation bar. But now let's say I don't want that page on the navigation bar. I still want it in Pages. I'm going to modify it later. But if you want to take it out of the menu, simply expand this arrow and choose Remove. And now it's back out of the menu, but I can still modify it in Pages if I want to and work on it more later. So now that I've saved that menu, I'll refresh and it comes right out. There, test is gone. So that's how to add pages. Now what about blog posts? I have a blog on this website. Different posts with photos. So say I wanted to modify or add a blog post. To do that, you go to Posts. You can modify one that you already have. I have a draft. We can publish that later, keep working on it. We can edit a current blog post here. And you can add content. You can add a video if you wanted to. This is just a basic feed from YouTube. It's an iframe feed from YouTube, an embed code that you can get right off of YouTube to put a video on the page. You can add categories to a blog post if you wanted to. You can add new categories and you can select what categories you want this to be under. Featured image, that's what shows up next to your blog post right here. That's your featured image. There you go. That's how to add your blog post. Now what's really cool about the post feature in WordPress, you could publish your post right away, or you could choose a future date. You could add 10 blog posts in here and have them publish subsequently on future dates. You can set the date and the time for when they're going to publish, which is what I love about WordPress and blog posts. So there you go. That's how to add and edit pages and posts. We're going to get into some more advanced editing later on, but again, this is just the basics. If you have questions, go ahead and shoot us over an email or give me a call. Thank you, and come back for the next videos.